So I actually went ahead and already took a shower. So now I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face and show you guys how they told me to clean my nose piercing. I have to do it 3 times a day, so yeah. So every time I clean my nose, I like to wash my face. I don't think you have to do this, but it's optional. This is just something I like to do. I do this every morning, and I do this in between, and then I also like to do this at night. So I wash my face about 3 times a day, and I've only started doing that because of this nose piercing. So I paid $25 for this. It's an Anti Microbial Soap, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. So I have to wash my hands with this first. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands with this with warm water for about 20 seconds. Right here I'm mentioning for you to wash under your nails because that's very important. Now you're going to want to wet with the warm water and then apply your soap like above it so it can drip down into it, and then apply the soap to your pinky or just all over your fingers, and then go inside and clean. Okay, now my nose is wet. I'm gonna apply a little drop. You probably can't tell, but it's like covering it. I'm gonna apply it to my fingers, and then make sure it's really on my pinky. Yeah. And then go inside and move it up. You see how it's moved up? Let's see. You move it up. Oh, yeah, I can feel the soap going in there because it's starting to ting a little bit. And then you just rub back and forth gently. And push it up. And then move your pinky around to clean. Clean your hole. And I want to mention that during this video I got my nose piercing like the day before, so this is pretty fresh. After like a week you feel like your nose is healed because it's not hurting. No, after the 3rd day my nose was not hurting at all, but here I'm having like trouble. It hurts because I just got it done, but that should fade away. And then rinse with warm water. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this 2 times. And then pat with a dry towel. And that's really all there is to it. I'm gonna go ahead and dry off my face with a separate towel. This towel is fresh and clean, so I also dabbed it on there. But if you have a dirty towel, please do not dry it. Guys, here's just a list of tips that is recommended and given to me by my tattoo shop. So this is what I follow really. And before I was kind of informed by Googling that you can use your own little salt and water mixture, and they recommended me not to do that because I went ahead and asked them, is that okay to use? That's exactly why I spent $25 on a soap, But you see right here, you want to repeat your process 3 times daily. And that's exactly what I do.